Hello, these are your notes on physical properties. A physical property is a characteristic of a pure substance that can be observed without changing it into another substance. The first property we're going to talk about is density. Density can simply be described as an object's ability to sink or float in matter, but all matter has a unique density that can be used to identify an unknown sample of that matter. Next is conductivity. Does the material or matter conduct heat, or is it considered an insulator, which does not conduct heat? Metals are good conductors of heats. Things like plastics are not good conductors and are known as insulators. If the matter is malleable, that means it is able to be hammered into thin sheets. Metals are malleable. If the matter is considered ductile, that means it can be twisted or pulled into thin wires. This is another property that describes most metals. Next is solubility. Solubility is the matter's ability to dissolve or spread out evenly in a solution. If the matter sinks or floats, it is not soluble. The next property is odor or smell. Remember to waft. Color is also a physical property. You may also describe the luster of an object, meaning whether it is shiny or dull. The phase that the matter exists is also a physical property, whether it is a solid, a liquid, or a gas. Changing phase is considered a physical change. Ice melting into water is a physical change because the H2O that made up the ice is still H2O that makes up the water. When water boils to steam, it is still H2O, and this is considered a physical change. State of matter is a physical property. Phase change is the transition between solid, liquid, and gas phases due to the addition or subtraction of heat energy. This is the phase change graph. And matter is changing state from a solid at the very bottom to a gas at the very top as heat is being added to the matter. At the bottom, if this were water, it would be at less than 0 degrees Celsius. Once it reaches 0, the matter would start to melt as it changed into a liquid. The temperature would remain constant until all the matter had melted into a liquid. Once the water was all liquid, it would start to heat until it reached 100 degrees Celsius, where it would start to boil and change into a gas. Again, the temperature would remain constant or at a flat region until all the matter had changed state. Moving back down the graph, the matter would stay a gas until it had reached 100 degrees Celsius, where it would start to condense back into a liquid. Temperature would continue to drop until it reached 0 degrees Celsius, where it would freeze at another flat region until it all became solid and the temperature could then continue to drop some more.